What is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Out here today, it's hot as hell, I'll tell you that. I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I do. I think I'm gonna go to the airport pub in Sussex again and see if I can catch some people skydiving. So if you're watching this video, it means I was able to catch them skydiving. And if it's a little noisy, I apologize. I have all the vents open. I'll obviously fix that in the second part of the video when we get close. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back as I'm closer. You've seen all of 80 and 23 countless times. A little closer now. Vents are taped off. Quad lock's been fixed. It got a little windy, so I'm not very hopeful that I'm gonna catch anybody skydiving today, which is gonna really piss me off because this will be like time number 3 now. You know, Big Sheila's out here, right? Big Sheila's ready to lay the smackdown on somebody like The Rock, dropping a people elbow on some chump. And what happens? Well, I'll tell you what happens. People get in the way. Big Sheila plays by nobody's rules, not even her own. Yeah, I'll honestly be surprised if I see people jumping today. It's not this windy by us. I'm kind of like, what the hell? So this might be a, thank you, sir. This might be a quick libation stop and then go back home. Maybe play some Fortnite Zero build with my boy Cameron. Rolling Hills Motel, hometown comfort. Man, if my hometown looked like this, I'd be psyched. Instead, they prostitute every piece of land with an apartment building. Aye. You see that lot there in the corner? You know what we really need? A big building that blocks the sunlight. Let's do it. In my opinion, and this is my opinion only, the whole business plan for the state of New Jersey is just an epic disaster. It's like they find creative ways to bring more money into the state, but nothing changes. At least out here in Franklin, you can buy a house and afford to live. Get yourself a house with some land and a Boston Terrier. You train her right. Give her lots of treats and lots of walks. Speaking of Boston Terriers, big man or woman upstairs, give my dog some pats on the head, tell her she's a good girl. Miss you, Bella. I gotta try this place, the Sussex Queen Diner. Yeah, I think we'll go the back road in. Like I said, I hate making a left into this place, man. Friggin' the person's not paying attention and boom. You're bound to have a bad day. Grateful we're not coming up this way tomorrow. I'm like, no more. No more. You can coincidentally go to this place 80 to 15 if you hate yourself. and then make a right at the quick check where 15 meets. I think it's 206. That's right, girl. That's right. Tried something the other day. If you're an adult and you enjoy the Bud Light Lime libations, they have one that's a split 12-pack and half is lemon lime. Really hoping that lemon lime sticks around because it's damn good. Did not suspect that or expect that at all. They repaved it not too long ago too. And fingers crossed for skydivers today. Don't make a liar out of me. Like I said though, it is a little windy, so you know, windy days and skydiving, well, it might ruin your day. Wild though, if they're there and they're going up and I can get that plane taken off, it's like a short distance and up they go. It's friggin' wild. Now I guess the joke will be the one time we're riding past here and I don't have the camera on my helmet, the sky will be full of skydivers. This used to be an animal sanctuary. Oh, they're out. Oh shit, I'm wrong. Oh yeah. See him? Oh, this is gonna be cool as hell. There's some more. All worried I wasn't gonna get it. Yeah, man, judging on this wind and these clouds moving in, I think it's gonna be one in boogie. Not supposed to rain today either, but you know, being a weatherman or woman's like the only job where you can be wrong. It's just be like, something's gonna happen today. We don't know what. Enjoy. On the old 639 here. Yeah, look at that, huh? I'm friggin' psyched. I really didn't think I was gonna get that. How about that, huh? Mission accomplished. They were skydiving. So also another mission accomplished I'm going to tell you about in a sec. I finally caught them skydiving. Today is also a very great day for me. Yesterday I was 2 years cancer free. You know, it's kind of wild how, you know, time flies and things change you, and I can tell you cancer changed me for the best. Beating something that could potentially end your life doesn't make you look at things and see that maybe there's a lot more the world has to offer, and maybe it shouldn't be an asshole to people even though you can. And I wasn't an asshole to begin with, but I'm a hell of a lot nicer and more understanding now. This bike right here, my 2024 Pan America, this is my fucking victory. I said to myself, once I was done with that, I'm off the lowrider ST. I want something different. The buying experience with that kind of left a real bad taste in my mouth. Great friggin' bike. Great bike. But, as soon as I went back to work, I don't think I was back to work a month. I was like, I'm going to buy the Pan America. I know what I want. I'm getting it. Fuck it. I earned it. And if you made it this far, friends, once again, I thank you for watching my videos. If you can recommend any places in the tri-state that are good, please drop it in the comments, man. I'm always looking for new places to ride. But I will say, a lot of up here, Sussex, New Jersey, High Point, Hawks Nest, you know, and also Storm King Highway and Shahala, PA, and all that. I really like those places. I really do, and I frequent them a lot because it's just beautiful. And I gotta tell you, Sussex, New Jersey, great friggin' roads to ride. I just left the airport pub. There's a diner next door. I can tell you too, though, every time we go to the airport pub, regardless whoever is working, they're cool as hell, man. They don't, never an attitude, never, you know, you get the vibe that they appreciate your business and want you to come back, and I appreciate the good customer service and want to come back. Once again, friends, I thank you for watching my videos. Drop these every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish, depending on how fast I can get to the YouTube app. I hope you'll check out my next video. Thank you again.